How to use two Steam accounts on same computer. So if you want to use two Steam accounts on same computer, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your Steam application. After opening your Steam, as you can see that I'm logged in with one particular account, right? So if you want to add another account, or if you want to use two accounts on your Steam, then you need to just go with the drop down, which is on top right, and then you will have an option of sign out of account. So you just need simply go and sign out from your first account, or you can also go with Steam, which is here on the top left, and then you will have sign out. You need to just go and sign out. Don't worry, just go and sign out, and then you will have an option to add another account. And once you've added two accounts, then you'll be able to go with the drop down, and then you'll be able to switch between accounts. Or what you can do is another way, you need to open up your browser, and on your browser you need to go with login section. Just search for Steam and then go with login, which will be in the top right, and then add another account or the second account on your browser. It will take you to the sign in page. You need to just enter your login credentials and log into your account on your Steam on your browser. In this way, you'll be able to use two Steam accounts on your same computer. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.